What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to this video about Pepe, the original Pepe meme coin, and a little price prediction about Pepe. And we're gonna cover, of course, also new upcoming high potential coins that could be replacing maybe the performance of the original Pepe like Pepto or Street Ponke, guys. So welcome everyone to this video. Make sure to be subscribed and check out all links in the video description. Don't forget that we are always doing $100 worth of meme coins giveaways here with every 500 subscribers. So thank you very much for your great support. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel and check out all projects and coins that we are covering in this video with the links in the video description. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. This is no financial advice, no promises, nothing, guys. In the crypto space, you can lose everything, although you can do a lot of gains. It's all your merit, of course. I'm just sharing my own opinions, my own thoughts, and also what I'm buying and selling here. So we're gonna start here with the market cap of Pepe and the current performance that we had here since its inception, basically. And you can see that the number is of course insane, the percentages that Pepe went up since the beginning. And this is like the original big meme coin after Dogecoin that had, of course, massive hype here in the last years. And Pepe is currently struggling somehow to push higher and higher. So the big question is now, of course, if the meme magic is still alive or not. So after enjoying one of the strongest meme coin breakouts, Pepe now finds itself at a turning point. The price has stalled, and while its massive fan base remains loyal, like me, I'm also owning Pepe, of course, momentum is clearly fading right now. And also according to Bitcoinist, trading activity has cooled and the token also is testing now key support level. With no major utility upgrade or big announcements on the horizon, many traders are beginning to look elsewhere, of course. So that's why also you see a big trend in those new upcoming coins, guys, because everyone wants to be in the next potential Pepe that could explode. And toward projects that combine meme culture with actual innovation and product delivery as well. And now we have Pepto as the first coin that we're gonna cover, guys, because this is the first meme coin with a utility coin as well that will come out in the next coming weeks or months. We don't know yet that exactly, but Pepto could be eventually one that will have the same performance like Pepe, maybe immediately or maybe after a few time at launch. We will see. No guarantees, no one can know that, guys. But Elon Musk's recent also frog-themed posts on X have sparked fresh speculations across the meme coin world as well. So twice now, his profile has featured frogs, and many see this as subtle support for the rising star Pepto as well. Or in general, all type of Pepe themed meme coins. And of course, Pepto has already a big community and a very big hype around here, especially since they also released now the first demo version of the exchange. They have over 15,000 followers over here. And the good thing about Pepto is really that they're hopefully bringing out first the exchange and then the coin, because like that, the coin will be needed for the exchange to use it completely without paying any fees and nothing. And rumors are growing that Pepto is being led by a former Pepe insider as well, who was sidelined just before Pepe took off. So now the Pepto exchange demo is live, giving holders their first real look at the platform, how it's going to look like. Here you can check out the video on their X account, guys, and of course also make sure to be subscribed on their X account and look at the platform that aims to connect the top blockchains through zero fee trading and fast swaps. And in order to interact with this exchange, you are going to need here these Pepto tokens, and this is what also makes the token worth something, because it's not just about the meme, it's also the utility and the idea behind it. So here meme coins will be listed without paying any fees. There will be a bridge support across Ethereum, BNB and Solana. API staking right now, so the staking rewards is still extremely high, even though they raised over 5 millions. You can see that if you're buying whatever amount here on the dashboard, you can stake those coins and of course like that generate free coins basically every day. Over 5.4 millions have been raised so far, and of course major exchange listing is also expected soon, because that will, in my opinion, trigger then the final hype here around Pepto. You can check out their demo version here directly on X, guys, because it's really easy made, and you can already see here on this column on the left side their different features that this one is going to have. And now, of course, the big question is how high Pepto can go. Because with the same supply like Pepe, 420 trillion tokens, exactly the same supply like the original Pepe. Pepto has a lot of room to grow, especially watching here at the price and the raise funds for now, because the price is of course far away from the price of the current Pepe level. So if it reaches even Pepe's current market price, early investors could see like 100x return. Of course, no guarantees, guys, no financial advice. Those is just speculations and ideas. But with its narrative, working product, and strong pre-market numbers, many believe that Pepto, of course, could surpass even that. So early entry matters, as always, guys, to buy and stake as soon as possible and as early as possible to lock in a lot of coins before public listing and price rises. That is very, very important. Doesn't matter if you like a project or not. If you want to be invested, always do that much before the public is entering. Otherwise, you're going to buy at the top or when the pump is already happening. And of course, when everyone basically was wishing that they would have entered before. And this is, of course, the chance to do that right now. So remember, if you want to buy, use the links in the video description, guys, to the upcoming coins. Pepto is also there right at the top, because like this you can connect your wallet and then you can buy and stake it for 273% right now with Ethereum or Tether on the Ethereum chain. If you're using credit card or BNB, for example, you can also buy, but then no staking possible. And thanks to the high staking rewards, as you can see, you can accumulate a lot of tokens. Doesn't matter how much you're buying, the rewards are going to be insane, guys, because of the high API. And the more time this one takes to come out, the more tokens we can accumulate it. And that's why I like to buy right now into Pepto. And not only Pepto is good for that. I mean, here already we have a big community, everything is running, we have quite decent staking rewards, but also I'm watching out here for Street Ponke, for example, as well, because this one is currently the newest one. They just raised over $350,000 in comparison to Pepto, for example. It's nothing, of course, but this one is rising, and because it is still earlier than Pepto, for example, this one here is offering you 1,145% staking rewards. That means that if you're buying here some coins and you click here buy and stake for 1,145% staking rewards, you can accumulate also here, like Pepto in the early days, also a lot of staking rewards. And that's the good thing about Street Ponke. So also here you could be very, very early into a product or project that also has utility, and also it's kind of a meme coin, because Street Ponke is kind of the other frog with a plan. It's not just a meme as well. Also here we have a recent $300,000 VC investment. So the first 300k went here through VC investments. The project is also preparing for a powerful entry following an audit and new partnerships, including collaborations with professional football teams as well. And this of course could bring then the hype for Street Ponke. That's why I'm buying early here into this one before the public also is buying up into this one, because then the stake rewards also will drop dramatically lower. So as long as they are high, I like to buy into this one here as well. And the difference about Street Ponke and, for example, the normal Ponke is that here we have an anti-whale AI to protect retail traders. There is a crypto learning platform built for real users, venture funding already in place, and also a strong link to the Ponke legacy, of course, same spirit and also clearer path. So could it be a spiritual successor to Ponke, ready to rise even higher? We will see. And you have to decide what do you think, guys, but I just like to be invested before the big hype and before maybe it becomes true. And that's why I'm buying also into this new coin here, Street Ponke, at wallstreetponke.com. You're going to find the links, of course, also here in the video description. Just scroll down and you're going to see all related links to Street Ponke as well. So with Pepto and Street Ponke gaining real traction, the next meme coin success stories might already be unfolding, this time backed by more than just hype. And that's why I would definitely check out, guys, Street Ponke and also Pepto. Watch also their demo version here on X, very important, and also subscribe to their X account as well. And of course, be also subscribed here. You're very welcome, guys, because I update you every day what is going on here in the crypto space. We do giveaways here. You can check out different exchanges to get extra deposit bonuses. I'm always covering new upcoming crypto projects and so on. And very important, guys, if you're new here in YouTube, maybe check out also BitChute or Odyssey. Those are decentralized YouTube channels as well. And of course, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, X, and so on. Follow me everywhere, guys. And of course, also check out Pepto and Street Ponke. We will see how high those coins can go. No one knows that, but that's why price predictions don't really matter that much. The most important thing is market cap, price that you're buying when you're entering, staking rewards, and so on, and be prepared for a massive run up or moonshot if it happens. Of course, no financial advice, but if it happens, then we are already on board. So check out all links in the video description, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.